what was your first reaction when you heard about the caste census announcement by the government?
I said, oh my God, lo, ye kya ho gaya? Because since morning we were out on duty from 8 o'clock and we were all discussing economic war, the diplomatic, information, propaganda war. And though, I mean, obviously, you don't announce a war after a CCS or a cabinet meeting. Those things are never done. And, I think we also need to tell people कि ऐसे नहीं होता, jung announce करके jung नहीं होता.
Right.
You think it through, it takes some time. But you watched all of us. We all were so sure that we will want that big ticket announcement. Well, that big ticket announcement, and I think the minister was also having his fun moment. He was talking about Silchar, he was talking about an expressway, and suddenly he speaks about a caste census. And Rahul Gandhi, I think he was planning to rest because he was in Kanpur. He dashed down and then he had to do that press conference because this is a big moment.
Yeah,
for
8 p.m. or 9 p.m.
7
or
p.m. press
7 p.m.,
conference, which began at 7:20-25. But obviously, this was a big moment for the Congress party in their eyes. So it was like, ye kya ho gaya? But then this is the Prime Minister. and this is
सरकार
his
हमारी
government.
नहीं है पर सिस्टम हमारा है.
System हमारा है. Modi राहुल की बात सुनते हैं. That was Pawan Khera's tagline. But I think this once again shows that never ever predict what the Prime Minister can do. He takes his own time. He chooses his moment, and it was there.
How did you react when you heard of it?
Ultimately, politically, it may pay dividend in some of the Hindi heartland, especially
But
on
then
the
for
caste
so
census,
many,
because the Bihar election is coming. Many people may contradict that nothing to do with Bihar election. It is, but point is, Bihar election is in the coming now. Definitely, caste census is an issue there. Nitish Kumar has a report already with him. He even went to the Supreme Court along with the other opposition parties. So I think at this moment, by announcing this, I must say that as some expert has written today also that this issue has been hijacked by the BJP from the opposition.
Do you
Now-
agree with that, Pallavi, that issues
To
been...
a certain extent, but the thing also
So now
is
see, two Bengalis don't agree, तो
No,
हुआ
I
नहीं,
think-
Bengalis
I
agreeing.
have specified Hindi heartland.
India.
I see.
No,
I'm
she's
very
agreeing with you.
So when I did speak to people, so when I'm talking about not speaking to the media or not speaking to the political class, the first response is, and I hate to use that word, but I speak to cab drivers. I do speak to them a lot. I know the much maligned
Okay.
taxi walas, but I do
Thomas
speak to
Friedman, please note.
So उनके दिमाग में उन्होंने कहा अरे ये तो राहुल गांधी बार बार बोलते थे. Which is why if you look at what the union minister was talking about, he made a distinction. He said the Congress wants a divisive caste census. We are going to make it a part of the larger population census कि आप जब आपके घर में कोई census form fill कराने आएगा, they'll also slide in this thing about your caste. So we are listening to that aspect, but it's not going to be focused only on caste. So I think the challenge now begins for the government and the BJP how much they're able to convince the people and the voters that look, it was actually our idea. It is us. It's us. We got it done. आप सोचते हो, but हम करके दिखाते हैं. They've said that pretty much the same thing about GST, Aadhaar, and all those things.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.